Hi guys! So we're here at 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th. Hi! Here!
Nagsilipan.
Yay!
Hi Tita Rina, sorry po. Nandito po kami. Hi Tita Rina, sorry po. Andito na po si Ray. Sorry po kung napagalitan ko po siya. Sorry po, sorry. Sorry talaga. Tita Rina, hi Tita Rina, sorry po. Sorry ang Tita Rina. Wow, it's a Fort Santiago. After third and Santiago, and next to it is the fifth Santiago. As it's, wala nga eh.
Ate Eds!
Ate.
Ate Eds! Pinatakbo lang!
Ate.
Ate Eds!
Ate Eds.
Ate Eds!
Madami lang. What would I do without your smart mouth? Throwing me in, kicking me out.
Got my head spinning. No. Anong feeling mo, Kuya Mark?
Here's how.
It's okay, Kuya Mark. Next time. Ikaw, anong feeling mo na sa...
Ay, bay dito ikinulong si Rizal. Ay, ikaganda.
Ano sinasabi?
Puro pader eh.
Morning pa din!
Morning pader. Morning pader. Morning pader. Morning pader. Jump shot.
Sige, go! Wow! Wow!
Tawag doon. Morning
Dupwa, duwarita, dupwa. Kuya Mark, yung sayaw mo! Kuya Mark, yung sayaw mo!
Masaya ko. May kasama pang kanta yan.
What would I do without you?
your smile. Dub smash nga eh. Drawing me, you kicking me out. My head
spinning, no kidding, continue down. What's going on? Ano nangyayari? Try to work like Miley. We're tourists.
Oh, they're my friends.
Kumari,
This is okay, but-
mga turista tayo.
Oh my God!
Good. Hey, we're in the Philippines and it's more fun here, they say.
Jane!
Woo! Kuya Mark, wait lang, dyan ka, ganun ka. Baka mo yung fountain. Usod pa konti.
Papunta doon.
Oo, yeah, usod pa. Usod pa konti dito. Yung arm lang, yung arm. Yan, yan.
Yan? Yan. Process yun. Introduce to you Our Lady of Macarena. Here is Our Lady of Macarena.
Saan na tayo pupunta?
Hindi ko alam, nag-gutom na ako eh. Saan ba yung malapit? It's so hot here. It's a foreign country and, you know, it's very difficult here.
Paalam, Fort Santiago! Mahal ko kayo!
Walang insurance. Wala tayo makakalis dito.
Eh, ano na yan?
Paglabas nyo, soto na yan.
Piloton.
I mean, pwede ba sa...
Yun yung ano, yun yung pinapahit, di ba, Kuya Mark? Yun yung pinapahit, sabi ni Kuya Mark.
Ayan, yung Lex, Bert Loton.
Tapos ano, kaya kasakay ng passenger.
Wala pa yung papuntang...
We're so loud.
Meron. Paglabas na kasi yan. SM na dyan.
SM no, ayan, SM City. SM City yun.
City Hall.
City Hall. Okay, pasok kami. Dalipan. Pasko, paksiw.
Pasko paksiw, 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 Pasko paksiw,
Paksopas. Paksopas.
Nasasaktan na ako. Di ba po tapos ang journey namin. Kailangan po namin humingi ng tawad kay Tita Rina. Kaya kailangan po namin pumunta sa bahay nila. Ay, Tita Rina, sorry po.
Sorry, man. Sorry, man.
Okay. Let's get pay 3 in 1 pin back.
Ibalik ko.